Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Art Presets. In this video, I will show you how to edit skin polish premium filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are our example photos before and after using this filter. These presets can be downloaded via the link in the description below. But DNG file is protected by a password. The password will appear in the upper right corner as a card eye button. Watch this tutorial in your YouTube app to get the password. Let's get started. Exposure 0.65. Contrast -24. Highlights -100. Shadows 83. Whites -57. Blacks -56. Then click on curve and follow me carefully. OK, done. Then click on color. Temperature 7. Tint 23. Vibrance 53. Saturation -13. Then click on Mix and follow me carefully. Red. Saturation 27. Luminance 12. Orange. Hue 34. Saturation -18. Luminance 14. Yellow. Saturation -100. Luminance -2. Green. Hue 33. Saturation -100. Luminance 95. Aqua. Hue -20. Saturation -89. Luminance 24. Blue. Hue -34. Saturation -100. Luminance -8. Purple. Saturation -100. Magenta. Saturation -100. OK, done. Then click on Effects. 𝗬𝗊𝗲-5. Then click on Detail. Noise Reduction 15. Color Noise Reduction 20. Our photo editing has finally been completed in Lightroom Mobile. I hope you like this video. Please share my video with your friends and family and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Art Presets. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos update.